espresso. This highly concentrated shot of coffee is the foundational building block for almost every popular cafe beverage in the world. Originating in Italy during the late 19th century, the brewing method involves forcing a small amount of nearly boiling water through finely ground coffee beans under immense pressure. This rapid extraction process creates a thick, syrupy liquid topped with a distinctive golden brown foam, known as crema. The crema holds much of the rich aroma and complex flavors, making a well-pulled shot a deeply intense and aromatic experience. It is rarely consumed in large quantities, typically served in tiny, demitasse cups, designed to be sipped quickly before the delicate oils dissipate. Ristretto, often considered the bolder, sweeter cousin of the standard espresso, the name roughly translates to restricted in Italian. It is made using the exact same amount of finely ground coffee as a regular shot, but it is pulled with roughly half the amount of water and for a shorter duration. By cutting the extraction process short, the barista avoids drawing out the bitter, more acidic compounds that release during the final stages of a standard pull. The resulting beverage is a much smaller, highly concentrated dose of coffee that highlights the sweetest, most robust notes of the roasted bean. It serves as a perfect choice for those who want pure coffee flavor without the lingering astringency. Americano. This straightforward beverage consists solely of a shot or two of espresso diluted with a generous pour of hot water. Legend traces its creation back to the Second World War, when American soldiers stationed in Italy found the local espresso far too strong for their palates. To mimic the milder, high-volume drip coffee they were accustomed to drinking back home, they simply added hot water to their cups. Unlike traditional drip coffee, which slowly steeps the grounds, the espresso base preserves a richer, slightly more robust underlying flavor profile, while still offering a larger, less concentrated drink that can be enjoyed gradually over a longer period of time. Macchiato. In Italian, this word means marked or stained, which perfectly describes the visual preparation of this classic drink. It starts with a standard rich shot of espresso, which is then lightly stained with a small dollop of steamed milk or milk foam resting right on top. The intention behind this minimal addition is not to dilute the intense coffee flavor, but rather to slightly cut the harsh acidity of the raw espresso. It offers a subtle creaminess without transforming the drink into a heavy milk-based beverage. It remains a favorite among purists who want to taste the true character of the coffee bean while enjoying just a hint of smooth dairy texture. Cappuccino. Recognized globally by its distinct layered structure, this beloved morning staple is constructed using equal thirds of espresso, steamed milk, and a thick, airy layer of milk foam. The name actually derives from the Capuchin friars of Italy, as the color of the mixed beverage closely resembled the pale brown shade of their traditional robed habits. The heavy cap of foam acts as an insulating blanket, keeping the liquid beneath incredibly hot while providing a wonderfully light, pillowy texture with every sip. Traditionally consumed only at breakfast in Italy, it has evolved into an all-day comfort drink worldwide, striking a perfect, harmonious balance between strong roasted coffee and sweet, rich milk. Latte. This incredibly popular cafe staple is heavily skewed towards milk, creating a smooth and highly approachable flavor profile. The preparation involves a base of espresso, topped with a large volume of gently steamed milk, finished with only a very thin, delicate layer of microfoam on the surface. Because the ratio of milk to coffee is so high, the natural sweetness of the heated dairy significantly masks the bitter qualities of the espresso. This mild nature makes it the perfect canvas for flavored syrups, ranging from vanilla to caramel, and allows skilled baristas to pour intricate, swirling art into the foam. It is the ultimate entry point for those who prefer their caffeine with a gentle, creamy finish. Flat white. Hailing from the vibrant cafe cultures of Australia and New Zealand, this beverage sits comfortably in the narrow space between a cappuccino and a latte. It generally consists of a double shot of espresso combined with microfoam, which is milk steamed to create tiny, uniform bubbles that give it a velvety, glossy texture. Unlike a cappuccino, it lacks a thick, dry layer of foam on top, and unlike a latte, it has a much stronger coffee-to-milk ratio. The result is a drink that feels rich and creamy in the mouth, but still allows the bold, nuanced notes of the espresso to punch through clearly and assertively.